Alright, y'all, here I am with the second request for Snoopy's RC, and it's 2 Dirt Devils and the bagless Hoover. So, yeah, let's go ahead and get started. And I'm also gonna, towards the end of this video, fire the breeze up again, and we're gonna see what was being said about it sparkling. So, here we go. And there's the breeze. I'm just gonna sit that back here for now until we're done with the video. We're almost done with the video. So now we go on with the Dirt Devil Vision. And there's the Vision. That did kind of better than the breeze, but I don't have any more bags for the breeze, so I can't really do a rematch. I'm going to set this aside because the handle release is busted. Now it's time for the Hoover bagless twin chamber. I did empty this thing out a bit more than it was, so that's how I got a little extra dirt. Like, we can even see a spot right there where I set the dirt cup down. So here we go. And there we go. After I check the breeze out on film, I'm gonna line them up for a thumbnail. I know I should get the thumbnail fixed on the last video, but by the time you're seeing this, I will already have done that pretty well. So let's go ahead and see. Man, we can see the motor. did see a little bit of a spark, but it's just on the, it's just where the carbons are making contact with the brush commutator, because it's, I mean, it's normal for the motor to have some sparks where the brush commutator is. Like, take any electric motor that's brushed and you'll see sparks where the brushes are touching the commutator. So we're going to clean up the last of this mess and we'll line them up. We're going to use the twin chamber. And there it is. Tell me how y'all liked it. Tell me what y'all want to see. And I'll see what I can do, how I can do it, and when I can do it, and if I can do it. I'm going to see if I can stand this up. And, whoops. Gotta get that just right because the handle release is broke. But yeah, I'll see what I can do, and how I can do it, and when I can do it, and if I can do it. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications for more content. And I will catch y'all in the next video. So until next time, bye y'all.